Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Anisa, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I have linked to be linked down below in the description. Let's get right into the video. So right now, I'm removing her previous gel polish as well as taking down some of her acrylic, as well as if there's any lifted areas, I'm going ahead and removing them now so I can just go ahead and get into her nail prep after this step is done. This is a fine grit sanding band, and I made sure to blend in the previous area with my 2 extra coarse 5-in-1 drill bit, just because it's a lot easier to do that with the acrylic. And then I also went ahead and took off a little bit more lifting, and I just removed the shine. Now I'm going in with some 6060 hand files from 818, and I'm reshaping just a little bit because sometimes when it's super wide already and like things are connected to the side, it just tends to pull the acrylic there because acrylic sticks to acrylic. So I want to remove any acrylic that's hanging over or that's a little bit like wonky, but I'm not giving her a full reshape here because that would be pointless, because I just have to go ahead and do this all over again. This is dehydrator right here, and then I wait for this to dry, and then I go in with my primer. I do 2 coats, and then I go ahead and go in with a thin, clear base layer of acrylic. And I also wait 30 seconds in between each layer, so the first layer can tack up and then the second layer can tack up as well. Now that everything has dried, I'm going in and making sure no acrylic is connected to her skin, as well as getting her shape pretty nice at this point. It's not fully done yet because I am going to go in with the e-file, and the e-file has the potential to mess up the shape. I went in with the buffer, kind of as a just in case. I didn't really have to because that Kiara Sky drill bit gets everything really, really smooth. So it just kind of depends. But I also like to add scratches back in for the gel polish. But sometimes the texture that's left by the e-file is enough. But it's just kind of a case-by-case basis depending on whatever I feel. This also does remove a little bit of the acrylic as well. So that's also one thing. And it's a lot easier to use this big buffer instead of like a drill bit. And now I'm going in with her cat eye, and before you cure it, that's when you want to use the magnet to make the particles in the cat eye shift. This is a universal cat eye, and it is from Amazon, and this little magnet here comes with it. And this magnet is super strong, and it is the only one that works with this cat eye. And here I am doing it in real time so you guys can see how long it really took to get it how I liked. And every other magnet really doesn't push it the way it needs to be pushed. And I do have some final look photos / videos in some like low light and everything, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed. After this, I'm gonna go ahead and top coat her nails. We did have another design in mind, but that did not happen, and my light did die. But this is what the nails look like in kind of like yellowish lighting, kind of like more natural lighting. But it looks even better in person when it comes to these type of fine glitter designs. And I'm just going in and top coating with the Beetles top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.